Draw a xylophone. Try to make your line smooth and even. Great! Add some details to make it interesting. Excellent! Let's color in. Color inside the lines if you can. Aha! Have fun with your drawing.